Okay, the final video for today is how to create a survey using a template. So here we are. And first I have to say this is on my laptop. So if you're doing this on a phone, it's going to look different. And so you're going to have to figure out where to find these buttons on your phone. Usually they're just long and they go down like this instead of across. So here's my big button, create a survey. Okay, so you can find it right here. If you get confused where you are, go over to dashboard. You can always start from dashboard, and dashboard will look like this. Okay, so there's dashboard, and then you'll have your create survey. Okay, when you first start, you may see 3 choices right in the middle. And those 3 choices may say start from scratch, start from a template. It's the very first time you create a survey, it shows up in the middle. You want to choose start from template. I already have some surveys I created, so they are here. So I have to go over to the left to get start from template. And here it is over here. So I click on Start from Template. You will see many choices, but I don't want to go through 500 choices. I'm going to use the search engine. So find the search engine, and I'm going to type in demographics. I start typing in demographics, and I already see 2 things on my screen. I didn't even have to type in the whole thing. The one I want you to use is the longer one, which is US demographic template. So click on that. Now, this is giving you a preview of what the template looks like. Okay, so you need to go onto the right, you need to find the green bar that shows, actually my image is covering it. Let me move myself over here. Oh, use this template. Use this template. So find that on your phone or on your device and click on that to open that template. Once you open it, you're going to see, let me see if I can move this a little bit over. You're going to see this next button up here. You're going to, when you go over the title, it's going to turn gray. Now on a laptop, I'm using my cursor. I don't have a touch screen. And when I go over the words, it opens a box called Edit. I'm not sure how it works on a touch screen. I think you have to push on it. And when you push on it, it will open Edit. And you're going to want to click Edit to edit the title. I'm going to make it simple. I'm just going to put demographics. Demographics. It's not a template anymore. It's going to be my own survey. So I'm going to put demographics survey. I finished my title and I click Save. Now here's where people were getting confused. You have to choose which questions are important for your business. Not all of these questions are going to be important. What information do you want from your customers? So you look at this question and you decide if you want information from your customers about this question or if you don't. And if you don't, then with your cursor, you hover and you go over to delete. Or with a touch screen, I'm pretty sure you touch it and it opens up a menu and then you can click delete. So I know my customers are from Minnesota, so I don't need this information, so I delete. Maybe I don't care about the zip code. I don't want to know where they're located, so I delete. But maybe I do want to know their gender, so I'm not going to delete. That's going to be my first question, so then I go to the next question. I want to know their age, so I keep that one too. I don't delete. I go to number 3. I want to know their education level, so I keep that one. I don't delete. Maybe I don't care about a business, so I delete. I don't need to know if they have a business or not. Maybe I don't care if they have employment or not, So I say, no, that answer is not interesting for my business. So I delete. I do want to know how much money their family makes because that will help me understand how much they can spend at my business. So I'm going to keep that one. Ethnicity, I think, is important because maybe I will have products or services that are specific to an ethnic population. And so I'm going to keep that one. Same with race. I think there might be some things that my African American customers appreciate that maybe my white customers don't appreciate as much. So I'm going to keep that. That information might be useful for me both for marketing and my business decisions. Do I care if they rent or not? Well, I don't think that information is important for me, so I delete. Your current, I got a relationship status. Maybe it's interesting to know if they're married or single, and maybe it's interesting to know how many children they have. Okay, so I kept 8 questions. I deleted 4, and now I'm done. So I click done. And yes, that's good right there. I like that. And so I click save. So now I've chosen all of my questions. And now I can go to the next button. And I click next. What I want to do next is to collect responses. And there's 2 ways for me to get there. I can click here, collect responses, or I can click here, collect responses. I'm going to go ahead and click the green bar here. If you see this, this is where you want to click, send surveys your way. I am choosing how to send. I click this box, and I am choosing to get the link. I click this box. It gives me the link for my survey. I go over here, and I copy. Now my computer has this link. And I can go to an email, I can send to people, I can paste the link in the email. But for our assignment, you need to go to the Google Classroom. So let me show you that really quickly. So I'm going to go to my Google Classroom as a student. Okay, I open my classroom. I go to my classwork. I go to number 4.11. I have to view more options down here. 4.11. Let me move my picture over. Where are you? There we go. Okay, I open that. View question. All right. And then this is where you're going to put your link. I already put my link. But you will have this open. You'll have your answer box. You'll click in there and you'll paste your link. I'm just going to put it here for now so you can see what I'm doing. But you're going to want to do it up here in your answer box. You're going to click in there, and then if you are on a PC or any sort of Microsoft product, you're going to, or IBM product, you're going to want to do Control V. If you are on a Mac or Apple product, Command V. And if you are on certain devices, it might be a right click, paste. Okay, so those are your different options for pasting. And then you'll click on Turn In, and I will get your link. So that is how you create the survey from a template in SurveyMonkey and how you add the link to the Google Classroom. All right, that's it.